Wanna know how to access or explore game settings in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins application or the game. So we have also created a video on how to install and log into Paladins, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing something known as the gear icon. This is the settings. So now once you have flipped the settings, here you can see various settings available on top that you can navigate through. First is the video settings, next is the audio, your gameplay settings, the controls, your controller settings, your bindings, where you can just simply see your keyboard binding, and your spectator mode. And that's it. This is how you easily check and work through settings in Paladins. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.